Is it safe to install an APK on my LG Smart TV?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a hot topic that's on a lot of tech-savvy TV owners' minds. Is it safe to install APK files on your LG Smart TV? Let's delve into the subject and find out the answer.
What is an APK file?
Before we go any further, it's important to understand what an APK file is. An APK, which stands for Android Package Kit, is the file format used by the Android operating system to distribute and install apps. Basically, it's like the .x files you'd use to install software on your Windows computer.
Why would you want to install an APK on your TV?
Often, APK files are used to install apps that aren't available on the Google Play Store. For example, you might want to install a media streaming app that isn't available in your region, or a specialized tool that hasn't been officially released.
Is it safe to install an APK?
Here comes the crucial part. Is it safe to install an APK on your LG Smart TV? Well, the answer isn't a straightforward yes or no, but rather it depends. If the APK file comes from a reliable source and you're sure about its credibility, it's likely to be safe. However, if you're downloading APK files from a source that isn't trustworthy, it can be risky. APK files can potentially contain malicious code that could harm your device or compromise your privacy. So the safety greatly depends on where you're getting your APK files.
What are the risks involved?
The primary risk of installing APK files from unknown sources is that they may contain malicious code. This can lead to security vulnerabilities. For instance, it could provide a backdoor for hackers to gain access to your device, potentially allowing them to steal personal information or cause damage to your system. Another risk is that you might accidentally infringe on intellectual property rights. Some APKs are modified versions of existing apps, which means they might violate copyright laws. So it's crucial to ensure you're downloading and installing legal APK files. In summary, while it's technically possible to install APK files on your LG Smart TV, it's important to be mindful of the risks involved. Always ensure the APK files come from a trusted source to avoid potential security issues or copyright infringement. That's all for today. We hope you found this information helpful, and always remember to prioritize your digital safety.